Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get creatine naturally. Creatine is a vital compound, naturally synthesized in our bodies and also present in various foods. It's essential for providing rapid energy to your muscles, particularly during short bursts of intense activity. While our bodies produce some, dietary sources can significantly boost your levels. We'll explore how to effectively incorporate these natural sources into your daily eating plan. The most potent natural sources of creatine are animal products. Red meats like beef and pork are particularly rich, offering about 1 to 2 grams of creatine per pound when raw. Certain fish, including herring, salmon, and tuna, are also fantastic options. Incorporating these into your meals several times a week can significantly contribute to your natural creatine intake. Remember, cooking can slightly reduce creatine content, so gentle preparation is best. For those following vegetarian or vegan diets, obtaining creatine directly from food is challenging, as it's primarily found in animal products. Consequently, plant-based individuals often have lower muscle creatine levels. However, your body can still synthesize creatine from amino acids like arginine, glycine, and methionine, found in plant proteins. Foods such as legumes, nuts, and seeds provide these precursors. If your fitness goals require higher levels, a creatine supplement might be a practical consideration. To maximize your body's natural creatine levels, focus on a holistic approach. Adequate protein intake is crucial, as it supplies the necessary amino acids for your body to synthesize creatine. Staying well hydrated also supports creatine's function within your muscles. Furthermore, engaging in regular resistance training can enhance your muscle cells' ability to absorb and utilize creatine. A balanced diet rich in whole foods provides the optimal environment for your body's natural creatine production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.